Hi guys, my name is Shada Campbell and today we're going to do some Best Fiends themed hand lettering and illustration. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to illustrate Terry the sweet-toothed tarantula along with all his favorite sweets. And for the hand lettering portion, we'll do a brush script. So I'm starting our illustration off with this giant thought bubble that's going to sort of be behind little Terry the tarantula. And you can see me going over it in my artist pen here in my Sharpie. Just making it this big giant thought bubble, very cartoon-like, and then I'm going to draw all these different candies and sweets within it because Terry's dreaming of them. Some of them are really simple and fun to draw, like the lollipop and the little peppermint are basically just circles, and I'm going to do an ice cream cone here starting with a big red cherry on top, and then you just do that sort of bulbous shape for the ice cream, a little triangle rounded at the bottom for the cone. Gosh, what else can we do? I'll do a cupcake. Again, it just has this icing just melting down on the top of this circle, and put a few sprinkles on there and you've got a cupcake. You can do a little popcorn maybe. I always do mine just this big fluffy shape and then a box at the bottom. For a donut, you're doing sort of an oval shape and then just draw on the icing. What else can we do? I'm going to draw some little conversation heart candies that sort of fill in the space, and I drew a chocolate bar there, and I'm going to do a little bit of licorice and candy corn. But just if you're doing this along with me, just draw all of your favorite sweets and candies in there, and then we'll draw Terry. So for Terry, you're starting with these cartoony eyes, those classic cartoon eyes that are very round and sort of overlap. And then for the eyebrows, which are Terry's sort of key feature, you're doing these big square rectangular eyebrows that follow the shape of his eye. For the mouth, he's got this big smile that's interrupted by these two huge teeth, these two big front teeth. Give him a few little stripes, and he's got sort of a furry, rounded body. I'm going to go over this in pen as well so you can really see. So see how those eyebrows follow the shape of the eye? They are rectangular, but they're slightly curved. Those are his feature that he's known for. And then we've got these cartoony eyes that are quite large and just overlap slightly. He's got quite small pupils right in the center of his eye. And then for the mouth, you're drawing just a simple smile. And then there's sort of a border around that curved line, around that smile. And that border is interrupted on the bottom by those big teeth. Give him a few little legs. Those can sort of be a very nondescript shape. Don't worry about those legs too much, but he's just got a few little legs that show there. And then of course I'm filling in the eyebrows and the pupils, and then I can start to color him in. And you don't have to color your illustration. I always love a good black and white pen and ink drawing, but for this one I'm just doing a little bit of blue, just layering some different blue markers to give Terry that sort of nice rich bright blue color. His stripes are a little bit darker, and just filling all of that in, and then I'm going to just put a little bit of gray to add some shading on his teeth, and then I'm doing a peachy color on his eyes and a little bit of a darker orange on the bottom of the eye to add a little bit of shading. Now I'm just going to finish my drawing by filling in and coloring in all of the candy. By coloring in with some markers or Sharpies, you're going to get this really poppy, fun, colorful junk food illustration, and illustrating your favorite sweets and candies is a really fun thing to do. They all are made up of basically simple shapes. Now with our illustration complete, I'm going to use a brush pen or a brush marker to do a little bit of hand lettering or brush script here. And a brush pen is just a pen that comes to a very fine tip, so that when you pull the pen down towards your body, you get a thicker stroke, and when you move it up lightly away from you, you get that very thin, delicate stroke. And I'm just writing, "Hey, sweetie," which is sort of a little fun play on words because we're drawing some sweets. And that's what it looks like when it's all done. Terry the tarantula with his dream of all the candy and sweets in the world. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you're looking for more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel and leave me a comment. What's your favorite candy?